Welcome to the mystical land of Petra, nestled in the heart of Jordan, a country rich with archaeological treasures. Stay until the end of the video, and subscribe to unlock your free travel packing list. Petra, the crown jewel of Jordan, was established around the 6th century BC by the Nabataeans, an Arab people who transformed this desert oasis into a thriving trade hub. Through strategic positioning, Petra became a bustling center for caravans transporting luxury goods like incense and spices between Egypt, Syria, Arabia, and the Mediterranean. The city's prosperity was a testament to the ingenuity of the Nabataeans, who harnessed the harsh desert environment to create a flourishing urban center. One of the marvels of Petra is its intricate architecture, carved directly into the rose-red cliffs. The Nabataeans were master builders, blending Egyptian, Greek, and their own native styles to create stunning structures like the Khazneh. This iconic monument, believed to be the tomb of King Aretas IV, stands at an impressive 40 meters high. Its facade, shrouded in mystery, has captivated the imagination of explorers and historians alike. In addition to their architectural prowess, the Nabataeans were experts in water management. They constructed an elaborate network of aqueducts, reservoirs, and channels that ingeniously captured and distributed water throughout the city. This hydraulic system was vital for sustaining life in the arid environment, allowing Petra to thrive as a major settlement in the desert. Despite its early success, by the 8th century, Petra's fortunes began to decline. Shifts in trade routes diverted commerce away from the city, undermining its economic foundation. The rise of maritime trade, particularly by the Romans, bypassed Petra, while natural disasters, such as devastating earthquakes, further destabilized its structures. These factors, combined with the shifting political landscape, led to the gradual abandonment of Petra. Forgotten for centuries, Petra was rediscovered in 1812 by Swiss explorer Jean-Louis Burckhardt. His expedition reignited interest in this lost city, drawing scholars and adventurers from around the world. Today, Petra is a UNESCO World Heritage Site, attracting nearly 400,000 visitors annually. It stands as a testament to the resilience and creativity of the Nabataeans, whose legacy continues to captivate and inspire. The site's preservation, however, is an ongoing challenge. Natural erosion and human activity threaten the integrity of Petra's monuments. Conservation efforts are crucial in safeguarding this historical treasure for future generations to explore and appreciate. As you wander through Petra, you are transported back in time, walking the same paths trodden by ancient traders and pilgrims. The Sikh, a narrow gorge that serves as the main entrance, is more than just an access route. It was a ceremonial procession path lined with niches and sanctuaries, reflecting Petra's spiritual significance. Beyond the Sikh lies the Khazneh, gradually revealed in all its glory as you approach. Its majestic facade, carved with precision and artistry, is both a symbol of Petra's grandeur and a reminder of its mysterious past. Nearby, other monumental structures like the Deir, or monastery, showcase the scale and ambition of Nabataean architecture. The decline of Petra was not solely due to external pressures. Internal shifts, such as the relocation of the Nabataean capital to Bosra in Syria, contributed to its diminishing importance. As the Roman Empire expanded its influence, Petra's role as a political and economic power waned, leaving behind a city of monuments, silent witnesses to its former glory. Today, Petra remains one of the most visited sites in Jordan, a place where history and legend intertwine. Its enduring allure lies in its ability to transport visitors to a time of great cultural exchange and innovation. As you explore its ancient pathways, take a moment to reflect on the resilience of a civilization that once thrived in this unforgiving landscape. Ready to elevate your travel game? Click the link in the description to book your next adventure, and don't forget to download our exclusive free travel packing list. Safe travels, and see you in the skies. Thank you for joining us on this journey through Petra. Subscribe for more explorations of the world's most fascinating destinations.